Gentlemen, we all want to be desired and adored by the woman of our dreams. But what if I told you that you have the power to make any girl become obsessed with you? In this video, I'll be sharing with you the secrets on how to make a girl obsessed about you. You need to be confident in yourself. Confidence is attractive and contagious. If you believe in yourself, she will too. So work on your self-esteem and self-worth. Treat yourself with kindness and respect, and she will follow suit. Show her that you're interested in her as a person. Ask her about her interests, hobbies, and passions. Listen to her when she talks and show her that you value her opinions and thoughts. This will make her feel seen, heard, and appreciated. Be supportive of her goals and dreams. Encourage her to pursue her passions and be there for her when she needs you. This will show her that you're not just interested in her for superficial reasons, but that you genuinely care about her and her well-being. Be a good listener. Pay attention to what she's saying and show her that you're engaged in the conversation. This will make her feel valued and respected. Be authentic and genuine. Don't try to be someone you're not just to impress her. Be true to yourself and your values. This will make her respect you and trust you more. Make her feel special. Compliment her, surprise her, and show her that you appreciate her. This will make her feel loved and cherished. Be patient. Building a deep and meaningful connection takes time. Don't rush things or try to force a relationship. Let things progress naturally and enjoy the journey. Be a good communicator. Be open, honest, and transparent with her. This will make her feel safe and secure in the relationship.